Tom, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to MVP Fishing. You know what? Wow, is it a difference in days compared to yesterday? Yeah, I've got a little windbreaker on. I'm starting to sweat out here. So, yesterday my fingertips were numb, and I'd take about 2 hours of this before I finally gave up. You mind if I? All right, let's get these rods out, see what's going on. I'll be with you guys in just folks, just momentarily. And I'll keep with the split shot right now. Probably have to take it off. You guys know how they are in this corner. That's the thing I do down here too, is I'll go weightless a lot of times. All right, I really should retie this after that big carp I caught the other day, but I'm lazy. I don't want to. This is the same tie on that I had for that big carp. You guys just tuning in, thank you. I appreciate you. What's going on? Thank you. Let me get the rod out here, and I'll get with you in just a minute. I'll adjust that camera to get a better viewpoint here. We're on the wall down here because that fountain, as you may or may suspect, it's got some folks on it. You can talk if you want. It can't be heard in the background. There ain't a lot of room, so we're doing the best we can. Let's see, get that sucker out there. That's pretty good. All right, that is out. Yep, got him. Ain't seen any channel cat yet, but trout are hitting pretty good. All right, buddy. Come here. That one won't give up. All right, buddy. Started, folks. That's a beautiful fish, huh? All right, let's bite. Gotta go. Oh, see how fast they hit it out there? Yeah, I leave this line slack, so when it starts going tight, it's a bite. And you got to get to it before the line gets to the tip, because they'll spit it out. So I wind up feeding more of them than I do catching them, but it's still fun. Yeah, I didn't get one on the first cast, but I did get a bite on the first cast. I think that's back. Yeah, I ain't giving them much corn today because I don't think they're gonna need it. That was a terrible cast compared to the first one. All right, that's better. That's a couple feet. Hang on, folks. I'll be with you in just a minute here. I even got my rooster tail out here for the first cast. There we go. I'm glad I got all that crud done this morning. I'd also like to thank the new individuals to our pride. We had 3 new members come in. Oh, there's a bike. How did I miss that? Hang on, folks. I'll be with you here. Yeah, let's see what I can do with that. The stuff I have. I might have to use my backpack here to kind of cut down on this glare. That's the only problem with these screens is you can't see the dang text messages from everyone. Let's see, who do we have in? Oh, Trapper, what's going on? Thank you. Appreciate you. What's going on? And we have Stu, what's going on? Thanks for coming in. Thank you. Appreciate you. What's going on? How you doing today? Put this bite, hang on. I think that fish is coming in with it. Got him. Got him. Yeah, he's running in with it. Straight into the bank. Yeah, that little guy. Boy, that's a small little guy. A pretty little fish, though. Finally hooked one of them little fuckers out there. He's a little guy, but he's a pretty guy. Yeah, I'll probably keep that one. Actually, the smaller ones are easier to cook up and clean, to be honest. One more of them, and I'll have a whole meal for so much easier to clean. The only time I'll fish that fountain is when it's miserable temperatures and no one wants to come out. What's another bite? Got him. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is. He's fighting, though. Uh-oh, I might have a carp. Either that or a big trout. Yeah, I better loosen my drag on this one. This one's fighting. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, pulled off. Oh, well. Well, the hook didn't snap. The hook just popped out. That's all right. I was going to let that one go anyway. Can't win them all. I'm using like a little tiny gold hook, so that way it's easy to get out. You know, it hooks them really, really quickly. It's got that super, super sharp tip. Yeah, I may change this angle feed because unfortunately I can't see the screen very good. If I move over here, I think I should be able to see the camera feed just a little bit better. Just I do not want to drop the thing in the water like the other day. Yeah, that's not a good thing to do. I don't know how folks read this thing on. That's one of the most difficult things about doing live feeds is that reading the stuff. And I want to read you guys' comments. I'm trying to figure this out, trying to get a camera angle here. All right, that cuts down on the glare quite a bit. So I think we're going to go with this angle. Let's see, no F's. Hello, Wolf. Yeah, I can see the camera feed over here. So I think we're going to go with this one. Let's see what's going on with the chat feed. Just tuning in. Thank you. I appreciate you. We have no F's. Thank you. Appreciate that. Thank you. Appreciate that. We have another down. What is it? $2 contribution from no F's. Thank you. I appreciate that. I really do. We are down fishing for rainbow trout down at O'Fallon Park in St. Louis. If you caught one, 5 people in. 15 thumbs up, awesome. If you could, double tap that screen for me, double tap. I'd appreciate that. Let's see, who do we have in? I just have to put the thing over. Thing here. Black Wolf is yeah, that was awesome of him. Yeah, Black Wolf was saying that was awesome. No F, appreciate that. Look at that. They're nipping it. I'm just leaving that rooster tail right by the bank, and they're nipping at it right there. Because I can see that rod tip checking on. I'm kind of looking in the way other people create their memberships, but you know, the membership channel is a bite. Got him. Yeah, they're running in with it. That's the problem. I can't get the hook set into them. I got that one. Those some little guys, but I actually prefer the little guys when I'm going to take them home. Yeah, they're much easier to cook and clean and everything, so. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one too, and that'll be 2 for us. Look at the beautiful spots on that fish. Just, yeah, these guys cook up actually a lot better than the bigger ones. If you guys have ever eaten trout, you get a meow when you become a member to the pride. Oop, there's a bite. I saw that. Got him. Got him. Fish on, folks. Ain't seen any channel cat yet, but trout are hitting pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get it done.
All right, buddy. Come here. Give it up. That's a nice one there. I'll probably let this one go. Dang. Quick. Oh, come on, you sucker. Wow. That one won't give up. That one won't give up. All right, buddy. That's a beautiful fish, huh? Just absolutely beautiful. That's 3 for us. See you, buddy. Thank you. I enjoy it.
Boy, that water's ice
the
cold.
live feeds I've been doing pretty good. I've been talking to folks and doing pretty good with the channel. You know, my YouTube channel. That's what I'm talking to right now. It looks kind of weird, but I'm talking to folks all over the world right now. I have to explain it sometimes to folks. He was kind of talking back to me, and I realized he was thinking that I was talking to him. But okay, I want to talk to other folks too. I enjoy the company down here. It's not as lonely as fishing down on the river, but you don't get as quite a well. It counts on a big old carp in here, I guess, but you're not going to find any 100-pound fish in this lake. 30, 40, maybe 50 pounds. Yeah, that's actually my. Oh, it's another bite. Got him. Whoa. Some of these guys fight, man.
Yeah, they got a good bite here.
That's 3 so far. This will be number 4. I've kept 2. All right, buddy. I got you. I got you, folks. I got him for everybody. Boy, that one's being nice. That's a beautiful fish, though. Just awesome. That's number 4, actually. Yep, you got it right on top of the jaw. All right, bye-bye, buddy. See ya. Thank you. Appreciate you. This is fun. Let's see. I said he might be in.
Everybody.
Hey, what's going on? Yes, sir. Chris is in. What's going on? We've had 2 new members to the channel. We've had a banger. No F's and Tara has become members to the channel. All right, let's. I've caught I think 4 so far. Missed 2. Got 2 in the bag.
All trout.
Yeah, all trout. Let go 2 of them.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I've been keeping the little ones today because you know I had such a pain cooking the bigger ones.
Yeah.
Those little ones about this big, they're perfect. You can put 2 of them in like aluminum foil on the grill at home, and we're gonna be doing catch, clean, and cook.
Are you gonna be on the channel?
Yeah, well, we're gonna be not today, not today, but we're gonna be doing it soon. I hit my barbecue pit up here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
It ain't over here. It's over there in the woods. No one's gonna find it over there. That. Yeah, I just noticed that guy has a line sticking out here, out deep. Yeah, we've got a kid trying to learn how to use a cast net down here on the other side. That might be what's spooking him right now. Oh, got him! Got him! Got him! I was on a rooster tail. Everybody, come here! That's how you land a rainbow trout. Got one on the rooster tail, Chris. Well, that's a beautiful one there. This one can go back. That one can go back. But look at the beauty on that fish. She is beautiful. Those colors. Perfectly hooked too. That's why I pulled her in fast, because I knew I saw that hook right on the outside. And you never know when they're, how good they're hooked like that. They could be just barely hooked. Yep, no F's to keep throwing those bangers in, those super stickers and super chats. You're gonna keep doing it, and these fish are gonna keep on hitting. So, yeah, that's about a pound fish there. So, see, buddy. I forget how many that is, 5 or 6, but we're still catching them, folks. Yes, No F's is the newest member to the, so is Tara. You guys are awesome. I appreciate that. I really do. You guys wondering that it's $30 today. That's $30 for today's live feed. I usually miss one of those bus runs back and forth to the. I have to sit there for 45 minutes to an hour. It's like, she's still running in with it. See, they're doing that. Got him. Yeah, they keep running in with it. Yeah, I was on waitlist, so. That was a nice one, too. Everyone but like 2 people left. Something there. What is that? Oh, our first of these today. Let's see if I can land this brute. Oh, it got away. Trash bass. Yep, trash bass got away. Got some big trash bass in this lake. It's another nice one. That's another pound fish. Easily. Look at the spots on that fish. That one's really spotty. That one's a really beautiful fish. Just the colors on that green, those spots, it's just beautiful. Hold still, buddy. Why do they have to do that? They just gotta keep on doing that until they pull out of your hand. See, where is it? Right on the top of the jaw. See if I can get that out without hurting you. All right, got it, buddy. See you. Sometimes I'll get it right on the upper part of the jaw there, and you have to get that little sucker, and you can do that with those those what do you call them? Those little plier thingies people use. Oh, this bite. Hang on, I gotta go. Yeah, he's running in with it. Yep, he was running in with it. He was right up at the surface too. Yep, weightless. These guys are awesome. Look at them doing 360s. He still ain't ready to quit. Thank you. All right, buddy, come here. Ah. God, go quick. They do not want to be shown off to the camera, do they? That's beautiful fish, aren't they? Just a beautiful fish. All right, buddy, let me get that hook out. It's right on the top of your jaw again. Yeah, this one was running in with it again, so. All right, buddy, see ya. Yeah, once you get that hook out, they know it and they want to go. So, really slow this thing down. Just, oh, that's something nipped at it right there. That was a trout. Bite on corn too. Got him. Almost knocked my. Uh-oh. Oh no. I just missed it, folks. That was a big carp. That's okay, you guys. I've got the mic on. Yeah, that was a big one, folks. That was undoubtedly a carp. Oh, I can't believe I missed that fish. He was running in with it like the other people quit in this lake because fishing gets kind of slow for them. Oh, there goes the bee again. Where bugged them folks? And that was me. There's a bite. Hang on, I gotta go. Boy, that one's moving with it real slowly. I got a leaf on there with it. That's why it was moving slowly. Yeah, that's why it was moving slowly. Hey, buddy. See, the fishies heard you. Oh, that's a fat little guy. Hold still, buddy. Hold still. You guys are beautiful today, aren't they? The silver and purples and pinks. That's a beautiful fish. All right, I think I'll keep this one. This will be number 3. I got one more before I have to start catching them. I could get her a little closer down here. I think get her on a better angle so you guys aren't kind of blinded as much.
think that looks good. Move my rod over just a little bit to the right.
Charlie horse.
But that's a cool little back shot to the sun, ain't it? That's a cool little back shot. I don't want no one to know exactly where we're fishing. I don't mind the trout, it's just I don't want someone to come down here and that carp I don't mind giving them away, because I'm the one that wants to. I want to catch them, you know. I don't mind giving them away. Yeah, that's a cool little back set. As the sun sets on another beautiful day. We are at 3 hours and 30 minutes in. 11 folks in to enjoy the evening. Oh, 22 in here? Oh, 22:11. That's kind of late. He's probably just over there by that fountain. If you guys can still hear me good without the mic on, it's a nice peaceful evening. Nice and quiet. Got him. That drag that way too loose. Beautiful one there. This will be my fourth. That's a good one too. Actually, you know what? He's hooked pretty good, so I'm just gonna toss him back. Yep, the hook just fell out. Come on, buddy. Let me show you off to the camera. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful trout. Beautiful day. Just a beautiful fish. All right, buddy. Thank you. Yes, sir. That's a heck of a way to end the day, folks. What do you think? Yep, 3 hour, 30 minutes in. I sure do appreciate you folks coming in. 14 people in, 49 thumbs up. Awesome, folks. I'll remember this trip for a long time. Oh, Buzztail, just in time. Yep, thanks for coming in. Appreciate you, folks. You know, until next time, good luck. Stay safe. Hope to see you on the water, my friends. Keep doing what you love and keep them lines tight, my friends.